Welcome to the PeopleSoft Campus Solutions PUM Image 33 highlights. In this video, we will provide an overview to the key features delivered as part of PUM Image 33. We will review the enhancements in campus community to the emergency contacts and updates to U.S. financial aid.
In response to a number of enhancement ideas posted in Ideas Lab, 3 new fields are delivered to allow additional data to be captured for an emergency contact. This includes a field to record the contact's email address, a yes/no option to indicate whether the contact is a missing person contact for the student, and a comments field that can be used by a student or an administrator to add additional information about the contact. The new fields are delivered on the back office emergency contact information page. Email address includes a validation to ensure that the email has a valid format, and the missing person contact checkbox defaults to not selected. The fields on the admin page can be set to required or display only, the labels modified, or the fields masked or hidden using Page and Field Configurator. There is new configuration to allow each field to be displayed on the Add Contact and Edit Contact fluid pages. In this example, all 3 fields are included. As with the admin page, the missing person contact checkbox defaults to not selected and can be selected for 1 or more contacts. The same validation is applied to email address to ensure that the email has a valid format. The configuration options for the Add and Edit Contact fluid pages are included on the Emergency Contacts configuration page. New yes/no options are provided to control whether or not each of the 3 new fields are displayed. By default, these new include options are not selected, so the new fields will not be displayed unless the existing configuration is updated. There are also new options to require at least 1 emergency contact and to require that at least 1 contact is flagged as a missing person contact. If emergency contact required is selected and the student only has 1 emergency contact defined, then the delete option on the edit contact page is hidden. And when the emergency contact page is included in an activity guide, if the required option is selected here, the next navigation button in the activity guide is only displayed once at least 1 contact has been defined. If missing person required is selected and none of the contacts for the student have a missing person contact checkbox selected, then when a contact is saved, the student is prompted to select the checkbox for at least 1 of the contacts. The final change is an update to the message displayed on the emergency contacts page when the student does not have a contact defined. Currently, no contacts defined is displayed from the short message text of the message catalog entry, and this update allows the longer description value to be displayed to provide more information to the student on what is required. If the description of the message is not defined, the page continues to display the no contacts defined message text. In this example, where the page is being used in an activity guide, a description has been added to indicate that at least 1 contact is required, and at least 1 contact must be flagged as a missing person contact. This example also shows where the next navigation button in the activity guide has been hidden because a required contact has not yet been added. More information on these changes is included in these 2 People Books chapters.
In PUM Image 33, we have delivered the following updates for financial aid. We delivered functionality for loading 2025-2026 College Board profile. Please note that updates to Cloud INAS will be delivered in a PRP targeted for October 2024. Included in PUM Image 33 are updates to NSLDS financial aid history and transfer student monitoring load based upon the June 2024 update. We have delivered several defect resolutions and updates related to Aid Year 2025 ICER and FAFSA Simplification Act, including the addition of the Student Spouse SSA match field as a database match field. Please review the PUM Image 33 image contents on the PeopleSoft Update Manager homepage, KM.ID 1641843.2, for a full list of ICER-related bugs delivered. We have delivered updates to support the PhysApp report for reporting award year July 1, 2023 through June 30th, 2024, and application for award year July 1, 2025 through June 30th, 2026, in alignment with the published documentation from the Department of Education. We have delivered updates to support the reporting of calendar year 2023 federal work study earnings using the campus-based XML schema version 1.0b. The namespace in the generated XML file has been updated to align with updated schema version and updated year. Federal Work-Study reporting tags were updated to align with ICER field length, updates, and naming. Reject edits have been added and modified as documented in the published guides. Applicable updates have been delivered in the UI. We have delivered several jar file updates to account for the numerous updates published by the Department of Education and defects found. The most recent version of the 2025 Federal Methodology jar file has a timestamp of 2024-07-10 at 16:24. Let me wrap up by including a list of useful resources for Campus Solutions customers. My Oracle support is certainly the primary site for official information. The PeopleSoft information portal is my go-to site for almost anything I need related to Campus Solutions. For interacting with Oracle and your peers, the Oracle community site is ideal and supports the Ideas Lab site where all enhancement requests are logged and voted upon. If you're a HUG member, then you know the value of that community and its extensive file libraries. Finally, if you are working with a cloud product like student financial planning, you'll want to bookmark Cloud Customer Connection. Thank you for listening to Campus Solutions PUM Image 33 Highlights, and we hope you will join us again.